Alright, time to get on the trail. There's the bike shop right there. Whistle Stop Bike Shop. Alright, I'm back on the trail. New Freedom, Pennsylvania. Still got the cabooses there. Let's spend the night in one of those. And they still got that old switcher right there. That's what you call a switcher, usually in the yard. And that moves the freight cars around the yard and hook them up and all that good stuff. But yeah, that brewery, I think that brewery is you can't see it. I think it's over there somewhere, according to Google Maps. It's like over there, and I probably could cut through this. Like, part of me wants to cut through this. Oh, they got it all fenced up. Yeah, I could probably make my way around it, but that's all right. It's so the brewery is over there behind that building, which again, that building was not there 8 years ago, and neither was a lot of these townhouses. So New Freedom is growing. But on a good note, I got my stickers from Vortex. So I feel like I could cut through these woods right here and hit that brewery, but that's all right. It'll be on the bucket list for next time. Yeah, the trail is a lot different. The trail is just definitely a lot different on the Pennsylvania side. Crushed hard gravel. You know, it's just well maintained. And Maryland wasn't as bad as the guy made it out to be. It was still pretty much what I remembered it. I could probably cut through here if I wanted to get over there to that brewery. Yeah, I probably could have went that way, but that's all right. Look at this. This is paved now. This is new. I don't remember this. I definitely don't remember a paved trail, but hey, whatever. I'll take it. So according to Google Maps, now you know, actually this trail, I might be guesstimating that it's only paved for a little bit. Kind of like in Salem, West Virginia. They have a few miles of paved trail. Salem, West Virginia. Yeah, they added some benches too. Yeah, they're really stepping up. Yeah. So according to Google Maps, from Vortex Brewery, I am 1 hour and 20 minutes bike ride to Indian Rock Campground. So, and I was in that brewery and talking to a guy outside, and I go in there and get a beer, and the guy's like, no, put it on my tab. I'm like, oh man, all right, thanks brother. So yeah, now this is all downhill. Again, this is all downhill. Tomorrow we'll be climbing. But the good part is when I get back to New Freedom, it'll be downhill back to my car. So and one thing I did not do, I forgot to set my map my ride, so I'm not getting my history of how much I rode today, but that's okay. I just took a screenshot of from Ashland to Ashland Road parking lot to brewery, and then from the brewery to the campsite. So, it is what it is. I'll see if I can make it through here without anybody killing me. Oh, look at that. Heads up. Woo! Look at that big open field. Oh man, the weather out here right now is perfect. I mean, like low humidity. Oh, there's Ale Craft Brewery right there. That's what I saw too on the map. All right, hold up. Might have to stop here. Oh damn, they got a trail right to it. Oh, okay. Mountain Mojo's making a pit stop. Yep, Mountain Mojo's making a pit stop. I forgot about this one. Damn, they got it blocked off? How the hell do you get over there? Okay, they don't want us going that way. Let's see, it says open. All right, let me see if I can. I mean, why not have one more beer? You know what I mean? All right, here we go. Ale Craft Brewery. They need like a ramp thing right here. Food trucks. Boy, I tell you what, man, I can't believe. When James and I did this trip years ago, man, it was like, I remember when we went to look for beer, it was like, definitely wasn't close to the trail. But times have changed. Times have definitely changed. I ain't mad about it. Hey, I like my beer, man. I like my beer. So, some cyclists over here. All right. Got a nice, look at this outdoor thing. It's pretty sweet. So it's a walk up, you know it. All right, well, I don't know. I'll stop right here. There's Mount Mojo. Ooh, out. All right. All right. Yeah, this is sweet, man. I saw this on the pictures, but it looked even better in person. So, look, nothing like a nice cold beer on a bike ride. And then, especially when the rest of your trip is downhill. So, I'm gonna do one more at a new spot, and Mount Mojo will get back to you.